Captive Island. Up with the green flash.
You know, ironically, Truman was one of the better ones. Truman was a good president.
How about Bush?
George?
W. George W.
He'll be a good one, too.
Now we know. That's for sure, Glenn. I agree.
She's the first cousin. Yeah, I guess I know that. Yeah. Her mother was an alternate.
This is great. No, but
He didn't.
I'm getting a shot of this. Stand right there. A little embarrassing.
Make sure you get a urinal, too.
Yeah, I did.
What's this here mean?
I got a 20.
And I got a 1.
Oh, money bags.
We'll go up there.
The Green Flash Restaurant. Nice place to eat. Glenn, Susie, Helen, Jerry were with us today. Yeah, they're still over there.
Can you go faster?
Well, I'm trying.
I like it faster.
I don't want to lose them. Hang on. There they are. All right, there.
Did I go to the right? You're doing it fine right there.
Hey, Don.
That's no fair. Very nice. A lovely, lovely day. Take pictures of gals down there.
close up here.
Whose nose is that?
Look at his nose.
Nuts about prices. And one time I guess we were
Okay.
Thanks, Lloyd.
I didn't want that fence in the background. What a simply gorgeous.
I mind. Make me look bad.
45 quarter. Wow.
That's not hard for me.